In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a line style letter logo in Affinity. And it's quite simple actually. So let's begin. To start, I'm going to grab the text tool. Both artistic text tool and frame text tool work just fine. I'll just use the artistic text tool. Then I'll write the initial letter of this channel, which is B. I'll just select the font. The line style works best with thick letter, so I'm gonna set the font style to black. And for the color, let's just use black. I'll grab the move tool and make it bigger and align it to center. Now I'm gonna make it transparent, so I'll go to the opacity setting here, click on it, and drag it to the left. About 30% is okay. Next, I'm going to select the pen tool and draw a line at 45 degrees. Make sure it's long enough to cover the whole letter. And I'm gonna go to stroke panel and drag here to adjust the stroke. Alternatively, I can set the thickness here as well. I'll change it to 5 point. And for the color, I'll leave it black. Now I'm gonna select the layers panel, grab the move tool, and duplicate the line by pressing Ctrl J on my keyboard. Then I'll just move it down a bit, about this much, but you can move it according to your preference. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl J to duplicate until the lines cover the whole letter. Just like that. Next, I'm gonna press Ctrl A to select everything. I'm gonna grab the shape builder tool and select the minus option here. And I'm gonna draw across these parts of lines that stick out from the letter, then release to remove them. Draw these parts too. Basically, all lines that go outside the letter. Now you can see the lines are forming the letter B. I'm gonna select the move tool, click anywhere on my canvas to deselect, and hide the letter B layer. After that, I'm gonna select all lines, go to the stroke panel again, and go to the pressure setting here. Then I'm gonna drag down this point like this. You can see now every lines have different thickness on each end. It's thinner on this end and thicker on this end. I can then adjust the stroke width again if the thickness is not right. Then I click the layers panel, group the lines, and then I'll change the color. Red is fine. Or change it to gradient color, maybe orange and red. And that's a line style letter logo we've just created. One more thing, when I resize the logo, either scale it down or scale it up, you'll notice the line thickness stays the same. So to maintain the aspect ratio, let's go to the stroke panel and make sure to check Scale with Object. Now if you scale it down or up, the logo looks great. And that's it. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, click subscribe, and check my other videos too. As always, thanks for watching and good day.